ugly boys.
There's a guy at south. A guy south in those trees and a guy at east in those trees. They're fighting each other.
I feel like I'm playing fucking field is what.
I see a
fuck
guy
us.
directly at southeast.
Oh, I took a shot. It's close, close, close.
He's
Hay
right
bales, crabs right up the hill. Can't hit me worth shit, but
I knocked him out. I knocked him out.
get back this way, crabs, because you're getting shot from the right side somewhere.
He's knocked out.
Bandages instead of fucking.
There's 3 guys pushing us.
Ah,
Behind us. To the right. Behind us to the right.
I'm dead. Rekt-um, it's all you.
no, Jeff's up still, isn't he? Nice shooting, Jeff.
He insta-died.
Berto, come right here. Here,
I got 3 kills right there.
stop, stop.
Nice. He insta-died when I killed him. We're in zone. It's just 3 of us. It's just 3 of us and there's 1 guy left. Just heal up to full and let's go hunt him.
Spread out.
Use all your stim.
Crabs, do you need stim or first aid?
I don't need anything. Let's just wait. Let's first circle, see where circle's at.
It's to our left. To our east.
This guy's got a car 98. He's gonna be laying in the grass.
Yeah, let's just wait for him. Just don't ever stop moving. You guys want to push this hay bale together? We have to push all together.
It'd be even better if we broke up, so he can't kill us all at once, right?
If he's got a
There's
car,
a
what
car.
does it matter? Let's push this hay bale up here to the right.
Yep. I
Directly
say that. There's-
southeast.
Yep, there's hay bales to the right. Let's go. I'll be bait. That's fine. Check bushes.
Oh, right out here in the field by me. Dead.
Chicken dinner, boys.
Nice.
Well, we had a bunch of top 10s.